And I mean, I was having like the, those Eureka moments people have. That's kind of what I thought. And that's the story I really have, because in all honesty, it was a brainstorm that I was like, if options are continuously trying to shift their pricing mechanism to adjust the probability of both sides have an equal chance of winning based on, or fixed for both sides. And he's like, yeah, and there's put call parity of the options. And he's explaining all that to me. And I'm just like, I could like see the math in my head. And I was like, this is gold. Like, this is solid gold. And then I started creating my first model for hedge pressure, which immediately I thought I could calculate glue of the market. Like, this is where the hedging is balanced, then the market's going to like glue itself to this level, which was hedge pressure. What I found out is that what happened was markets would move to that level, volume would spike up. And I thought the volume would provide liquidity, meaning that you would hit that level and just kind of stay there. Like, I can calculate where the market wanted to go. What we found out was that volume is hedging volume, and it creates a big fight. And the winner is usually a big winner one way or the other. So instead of it being like an attraction, like a glue, it's more like a trampoline. You bounce off of it really hard, and the volume creates counter movement most of the time. And it became like a no-brainer from there just to do it for a couple of years and see how much the probabilities, and turn out to be very, very good. The point is that I'm utilizing the idea that options can provide additional information about the market. Where can I find volume pivots? This is really what the answer is, volume pivots. And so when you touch these monthly hedge pressures, you're going to see volume spikes. So the best part about it is it just kind of tells me where I wait to trade. Long story short, I don't just jump in and trade at random spots. Hedge pressure is predictable, high volume every single time. This is Apple without fail. There's the volume. This is what my brain saw when the person was explaining options to me. I was like, I can predict volume spikes with this math. The rest is history. And there it is. There's Apple. It's crazy. And I mean, I was having like the, those Eureka moments people have. Yeah, it's pretty cool.